Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 16th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the binary, and this one, the four-star Sudoku. News of the day. Well, it's been 436 days ago. Another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Again, Hamas. And I believe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago there was a ceasefire, but well, I don't believe that ceasefires, so the war is still going on. Oh wait. The four-star Sudoku number 9759. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Yes, four-star Sudokus has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a four-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a four-star puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here 1 2. We have here 2 3s, 3 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s. Well. 3 8s and 3 9s. So the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this first row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with the 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, okay. Then, let me see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third. In this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 in that box. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. Need a 9 here, need a 1 here, and I need a 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Oh, no. We already have a 1. Overlooked. Error. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 there. 8, 3, 7, 9. Yeah. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4, 3, 6. That number. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. So 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So need a 9 there. Need a 2. 2, 9 and a 3. 1, 2 and a 3. 2. 1. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, and need a 4 here. 9. 9. Need a 9 there. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9. How about this row? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 3, you need a 3 there. And 4, need a 4 here. 3, 4, 5. Need a 5 here. 3, 4, 5. Wow. Thinking. Need a 4 here. Well, in this column, we need a 4. And here can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there then. Okay. In this row, the missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for number 5 then. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3. Second column, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 and a 3. 3, okay. Need a 3 here. Come on. Need a 7 there, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and the 7 in this column, no 3 and the 7 in these two boxes. We have 3 and the 7 in the column next, no 3 and 7 in that box. So the 3 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. So these two boxes should be the 1 and the 2. On left as a pair, okay. I need also 1 and the 2 here. How about the 6? 6, 6. Need the 6 there. How about the 6 there? 6, 6. Aha. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only place level 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 6. How about the 7 now? Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. 9. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 3. One and a 2, 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. Do we have all the 4s? No. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left now. Here also 1 and a 2. Need a 9 here. 9. 9, need a 9 here or there. How about the 5s? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in this second column, so no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 1. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So we have 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4, 4. I need a 4, 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left the 5 should be here. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place level 9 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 in the 7, we already have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Well, here also 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 60 minutes. We solve it again. Solve it again. Is this really a 4 stars? Well, I'm faster than 20 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not a 4, not a 3, but a 2 stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary. Until then, bye bye for now.